Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I will be sharing with you my 5 minutes daily bathroom cleaning routine. Daily cleaning routines are the best way to maintain a clean and hygiene home. But don't let these routines to make you stressed up rather than to help you. As we know that there should be two routines, one is deep cleaning routine and the one is daily cleaning routine. To maintain a daily cleaning routine, we should follow a strict rule, that is time limit. I will explain more later in this video. Little reminder, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get regular updates. So let's get started. This is the routine I'm following every day to keep our bathroom clean and hygienic. Also, I set it in this way so that it won't take more than 5 minutes, so that I will not be demotivated by extensive hours of cleaning. The first thing I do is spraying the places which require a one-touch rule every day. I start with a glass cleaner to spray mirror, then if any spot cleaning required on the shower glass partition. Then I use a bathroom cleaner to spray wash basin, countertop, shower partition. I have no idea how every day these partitions collect so much dust. Okay, then the top of cistern, the floor, both dry and wet area. It takes nearly a minute to spray everything down. The whole purpose of spraying things is to give everything a time frame so that these cleaners can disinfect those intended spaces. Sometimes I need to do spot cleaning. As you know that I have a toddler playing around and bathroom is her another favorite place to play. After wetting the cleaning cloth, I start wiping down the hand soap dispenser, the faucet, the counter, again with just a one-touch rule, because I really don't want to spend a huge amount of time to clean the bathroom every day. Then I clean the dividers and at last the cistern head, and I'm done with the wiping chore. Then I use a cleaning brush to scrub the wash basin. Hope you have seen this brush in our previous super cleaning tool video. So you can see the current condition of the brush. Not that bad, I guess, as I use it every day to clean 2 wash basins. And there is a behind the scene slow motion for you all. One lazy people hack for you all. You can take 1 drop of hand soap, yes, just like that, and clean the wash basin. No need to find the cleaner if you run out of it. Isn't it a good idea? Okay, then after putting back the brush, I wash the cleaning cloth nicely and keep it aside. For me, all this spraying and wiping job do not take more than 2.5 minutes every day. Another thing I need to mention here is I do follow an alternate day cleaning for the floor and the water closet or commode. It works fine with our family size. So as yesterday I have already cleaned the commode, so today I am cleaning the floor. I use a rag to wipe the dry area. Probably many of you know that I have a severe back problem. I found this is the best way to scrub the floor with the help of my feet, and as a daily cleaning habit, it is working great without much hassle. Let me share my thought here. The main motto of this 5 minutes everyday bathroom cleaning routine is to have a fair enough hygiene place for our family. As we all know, it's always better to do something than nothing. Then before going to bath, I soak the rag in wash basin with antibacterial liquid, and as it's antibacterial, I don't take tension about the contamination. The next thing I do is put a fresh hand towel right beside the wash basin, place the bath mat in its place, footstool, laundry basket, everything in its designated place. Next, I clean the wet area with the broom. It takes not even more than a minute. To maintain an everyday cleaning routine, one should have right cleaning tools and a space to keep them organized. After taking bath, I use the wiper to wipe the excess water and it will help the floor to dry fast. A wet floor invites germs and bacteria than a dry floor. So always try to keep your floor dry at least as much as possible. Then I wash the rag, I take them out and hang them to dry in utility area. Just keep things simple. For me, it's one cleaning cloth to clean the floor and one for cleaning other things. I want to share 5 STOOP rules before concluding this 5 minutes everyday bathroom cleaning routine. 1. Always better to clean the bathroom whenever you are going to take a shower. This way you can get rid of cleaning sweat, no hassles to change clothes or messing up with germs or a fear of contamination. 2. Limit or restrict the time. If you decided it's 5 or 10 minutes, then focus to finish the work within the time limit. This way your mind will think that it's not a big deal to clean the space and you will be able to maintain it on daily basis. 3. Keep windows and doors open while cleaning. Do not inhale toxic cleaning fumes every day. Always remember to switch on exhaust fan, open the window and open the door while you are cleaning in the bathroom. Number 4. Organize your daily cleaning basket. This is my daily cleaning basket, not fancy but yes, functional. Here I have kept one bathroom cleaner to clean the floors and countertop etc. One glass cleaner, one antibacterial liquid. Here I have kept garbage bag roll, cleaning brushes to clean comb and hair brushes. 3 cleaning cloth. Black one is for cleaning glass and mirrors, yellow one is to wipe everything down and blue one is to clean the floor. And I keep this basket in this cabinet. Always comes handy whenever I require. Number 5. Don't try to aim for perfection. Don't try to be perfect. Your goal is to get a daily bathroom cleaning task done, not a weekly or monthly cleanup. So create a daily bathroom cleaning routine and stick to it. I really hope that this video is going to add value in your daily cleaning habit and you will find a purpose and motivation to keep your home clean every day. So follow these 2 rules to create your own 5 minutes bathroom cleaning routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.